All right, today we are going to be covering lesson 4.5, bank statement reconciliations. We're going to start off as we always do with our equation sheet that we're going to add to. Today's equation is going to say adjusted balance equals your statement balance minus your outstanding checks minus your outstanding payments minus outstanding debits plus your outstanding deposits. While you're writing that down, let's talk about the one vocab word for today's lesson. That word is reconcile. Reconcile means to compare your check register with your bank statement to make sure they agree. Let's go ahead and dive into today's lesson and take a look at what it says. 4.5. Example 1. Your statement balance is $598.67. You have an outstanding check for $125.44 and an outstanding debit of $235.42. You also have an outstanding deposit of $231.98. What is your adjusted balance? So let's go ahead and recall. The adjusted balance equation says we're going to take our statement balance, subtract our checks, payments, and debits that are outstanding, and add any outstanding deposits. So let's take a look at what we got here. We have a statement balance of $598.67. We have an outstanding check, which we're going to subtract, of $125.44. We have an outstanding debit of $235.42. So we're going to subtract that as well. And then we have an outstanding deposit, which we are going to add of $231.98. So we're going to do 598.67 minus 125.44 minus 235.42 plus 231.98. I get $469.79 as my answer. Here, for this section, you have two try on your owns. I want you to take 5 minutes to work through questions 1 and 2 of the try on your own. Go ahead and pause your video now. As you can see, the answers to questions 1 and 2 have now been provided. Go ahead and take a moment to copy down these answers and check yours. If you didn't come up with the same answers and you have a question, please come see me about it. While you're taking this moment to write these down, I want to discuss that word outstanding just a little bit more in detail. Outstanding is when you get your bank statement from the bank, they list everything that's actually cleared the bank. But for instance, my bank statement may get printed on, like the 20th of the month, but I might not get it in the mail till like the 25th of the month. So I might have had transactions that I have done through my banking account, but would not be listed on there. That's what we call them as outstanding. They haven't cleared the bank, basically. Now, on the next slide, you're going to see a debriefing question on this section. So go ahead and take a moment to answer that, and then we'll move on to example 2.